Ever wonder how devices on the internet identify each other? Or how your computer knows where to send that funny cat video? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into the digital world to unravel the mysteries of MAC and IP addresses, TCP, UDP, DNS, and DHCP. Imagine a bustling city with its unique network of streets and addresses. This is the internet. And just like in a city, every device on the internet has a unique identifier, a digital address, if you will. This is where MAC and IP addresses come into play. A MAC, or Media Access Control Address, is a unique hardware identifier embedded into each device during manufacturing. Think of it as the genetic fingerprint of a device, always unique and unchangeable. On the other side, we have the IP, or Internet Protocol Address. Unlike the MAC address, an IP address can change. It's like your temporary home address in the city of the internet. IP addresses come in two flavors, private and public. Private IP addresses are for use within a local network, while public IP addresses are for use on the wider internet. But wait, there's more. There's also something called a default address. This is the address your device falls back to when it can't find a DHCP server, which we'll get to in a moment. Now, how do these devices talk to each other? That's where protocols like TCP and UDP come in. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is like a meticulous postman. It ensures that all packets of data arrive at their destination in the correct order. UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, on the other hand, is more like a speedy courier. It's all about speed and doesn't worry if some packets arrive out of order or not at all. TCP is reliable but slower, while UDP is faster but less reliable. But how does your device know where to send these packets? That's where DNS, or Domain Name System, steps in. It's like a phone book for the internet. When you type in a website name, DNS translates that name into an IP address. It's all starting to come together, right? But there's one more piece to this puzzle. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It's like a hotel concierge, assigning IP addresses to devices as they connect to a network. By now, you're probably realizing just how much goes into a simple internet connection. And yet, it all happens seamlessly, in the blink of an eye. These systems and protocols work together to make the internet a truly global network. So next time you share that funny cat video, remember the intricate dance of protocols and addresses that made it possible. Explore more about these topics, and you'll find a fascinating world beneath the surface of your everyday internet use. Use this knowledge to troubleshoot network issues, or to simply marvel at the wonders of modern technology. The more you understand about these systems, the more you'll appreciate the complexity and beauty of the digital world. From the MAC address that uniquely identifies your device, to the DHCP that assigns your IP, to the DNS that translates domain names, and the TCP or UDP that delivers your data, every layer of this process plays a crucial role. So keep digging, keep exploring. The world of networking is vast and full of surprises. And remember, every bit of data, every connection, every shared cat video is a testament to the marvel that is the interconnected digital world. And that wraps up our journey through the digital cityscape. It's quite a ride, isn't it? From MAC and IP addresses to TCP, UDP, DNS, and DHCP, we've covered a lot of ground. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The digital world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep learning. The more you know, the more you realize just how interconnected and fascinating our digital world truly is. So, until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep sharing those cat videos. Because, in the end, isn't that what the internet is really all about?